What is going on, everybody? Welcome to People, Places, Power Tools with Ethan. Today we're at Dimensional Fabricators and we're gonna be checking out how you make a kitchen countertop. Let's take a look. All right, so now we're inside with Brian, checking out countertop material. What do you got over here?
A little bit of everything, some marble, some quartz, some porcelain, some quartzite, some granite.
Okay, so granite, marble, what's the difference between granite, marble, and say porcelain?
Natural stone, granite, marble, porcelain, man-made. Price and durability is the big difference.
Okay, so somebody comes here, they select their stone, and they say, we want to get it from here all the way over there.
We're looking very close to about 1,000 pounds, and that's what this baby's for.
See what we got. Let's lift up some stone.
Let's do it.
Let's go with this one. I like this one. All right. Okay, so we selected our material over there, we brought it over here, put it on the table. So tell us a little about this table, this machine, what it's used for.
So 5-axis bridge saw CNC machine. This machine's gonna cut all of our natural stone, porcelain, in this case quartz. Pneumatic table, I'm gonna tilt it down right now and show you how it works. So this is a 18-inch granite blade, also substitutes for quartz, more dense materials, segmented. Pretty much the most aggressive blade we have is going to eat through just about anything we cut.
All right, so you said that's the most aggressive blade that you have. I see you have some more blades behind us here. Do you sometimes use a less aggressive blade for different cuts, or is it just whatever gets through works the best?
So every material has a different hardness, density. We use Mohs scale, those are diamond blades. They're all segmented with diamonds. So a softer material requires a different gauge diamond blade. We have planing, milling wheels if we have to plane down material similar to wood. Some of the material is a lot more dense and we kind of learn as we go. We listen to the machine. Amperage shoots up. We know we're not working with the right blade, we'll switch that out.
So this is a beautiful piece, but it's not the piece that we're going to be using to do our countertop. So let's go over, you got another machine, similar one over there, that we're going to be cutting on.
Let's do it.
Let's take a look. Okay, so this is your second machine right here. We got the template on it. This is the stone we're going to be using. What do we got here?
This is a piece of quartz similar to the one we just loaded on the other machine. Got our marble blade ready to go. Perfect for this material. And getting ready to cut a sink.
So we're over here now at the manual router. Tell us a little about this machine.
So this is our solution for cutting sinks out dust-free. We have our templates over here, pretty much the gamut of sinks that we experience on the job. Those templates are set up on the countertop. We get our center line from that wood template we looked at before, mark up the setback, and essentially that's an incremental router bit, just like any other router.
Just like a regular router bit.
Very simple.
And it's those over there, CNC machines. This one is handheld, hand operated, correct?
Correct. A lot of machines similar to the ones we have here have that function. We're producing so much volume that we rather have the slabs off the table and on the manual router than having the actual machine do it. So
he's making a lot of passes on this machine. How much is he taking off each time he does a rotation?
To save the machine, we're going about 1/8 deep into the material every pass. We can go a little bit more, but we like to get as much longevity out of the bit as possible. similar to the diamond blades. So about 1/8, about 10 passes, materials 1.25 inches.
And what type of bit are you using for that?
That's a diamond bit.
That's a diamond bit? Okay. How long usually does a sink like this take to cut out?
Start to finish, between 10 and 12 minutes, ready for polish. All right, so our sink cutout is done now. We're gonna remove the template, get the router out of there, and then we're gonna clean it up.
So he's got the suction cup, pulled it off, nice and easy. And there you go. It's all cut out. You can see, here's your sink cut out. This is the underside of it. What's the next step after this?
Next step is it goes to the table for polishing.
All right, and then it goes in somebody's house, right?
It's new home.
New home?
New home.
All right, Brian, thank you so much. Really appreciate you having us stop by. This was great. Like, comment, subscribe if you want to catch the rest of the episodes. Thanks so much for watching People, Places, Power Tools with Ethan. See you next time.